Most people fear debt. The rich use it to get richer. Today, we're breaking down how the wealthy use debt as a tool to multiply their wealth, while the rest of us are taught to avoid it completely. So come along, let's explore the truth right here with the Wealth Forum. Let's get started. Let's clear one thing up first. Not all debt is bad. There are two kinds. Bad debt, like credit cards, car loans, or borrowing to buy stuff that loses value. Good debt, borrowing to buy assets that make you money. Think real estate, business investments, or even borrowing against stocks. Number 1, real estate leverage. They use mortgages to buy income-producing properties. Their tenants pay the loan, they keep the cash flow, and the property gains value over time. Number 2, asset-backed borrowing. Instead of selling assets, the rich borrow against them. They get cash without losing the investment, and that cash is often tax efficient. Number 3, business growth. They take strategic loans to expand businesses. Why spend your own money when you can scale faster with other people's capital? The wealthy understand this. If your borrowed money earns you more than it costs you, it's a smart move. They think long term. They're not scared of debt because they know how to control it. Meanwhile, the average person is buried in consumer debt and scared of taking any financial risk. Learn the rules. Study how interest works. Understand leverage. Get familiar with assets and liabilities. Start small. Use debt to build something, maybe a small business, a digital product, or an investment that brings in income. Build good credit. Good credit equals cheaper access to money. And cheap money, when used right, is powerful. Debt isn't your enemy, it's a tool. Used blindly, it can destroy you. Used wisely, it can set you free. The wealthy play offense with money. They use every tool, including debt, to build more wealth, more freedom, and more control. So the real question is, are you going to keep fearing debt, or will you start using it like the rich do? This is the Wealth Forum, where money becomes power. If you found this valuable, hit like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and make sure to subscribe. More money truths coming your way soon.